This is our filter we're going to install today, straight from AliExpress. You can see there's no cardboard frame on it, so it's got this flex in it. The dirty air comes on the top, clean air goes out the bottom. It's like this so it can catch the dirt. Yeah, this car doesn't come with an air filter. What you can do is you're going to empty the glove box out.
Now if we zoom in on the open glove box, right here on the outside glove box, you can see there's this triangular stopper that stops the glove box from falling out. On the inside face, you can also see there's a kind of cutout, and that allows that stopper to be pushed in for the glove box to be removed.
Yeah, right there. So people can see when you reach in, just squeeze. Yeah, I'll do the flip side. Yeah. And the door box just drops down like that. Dope. You can see I got this random sticker. I think this came from the factory. The glove box, if you wanted to, just pulls out, whatever. And looking down here, we got this side's got a clip. Push in, do not pull out, because there's no hinge. That side's two plastic tabs, you have to slide. Slide, no hinge. Yeah. And the filter slides out, made in China. Top side's the dirty side, and I'll flip this over. It's the clean side, dirty side. This actually does do something. So right here, you can see, so this is where the filter was. And there's this mixing vent. So over here, we switch from the outside air to inside air, that moves. So right now this is inside air, which is a blend of the air from behind the glove box and that vent in the very back, which is the outside air. And then when we switch to outside air only, that closes. So that air gets pulled from that outside vent in the back through the filter here and then into the blower motor. And right here is the resistor for the blower motor. So when you change between speeds of the blower motor, that resistor adjusts. A different resistor is used to adjust the motor speed. The reason the blower motor resistor is there is because it's cooled by the blower motor. Air goes through the blower motor, through that resistor, and then behind this stack where the heater core and the air conditioning evaporator are.
For reference, here's what the blower motor resistor looks like. A different resistor is used depending on if you have manual or automatic climate control. And in the diagram, you can see the fins used to cool the resistor.
Yeah, so that's our new filter. So it's gonna go upward, in this upward direction. Just like that. And that's gonna allow it to catch the dirty stuff going through the filter into the blower motor. Now we'll throw this cover back on. Right there. See, these two clips go in. And we push in. That should be it. Just confirm. So now just lift the glove box up. There's the clips on the edges have slopes to them. So pop right in. And the USB cable is still right here. Throw my junk right back in. It's owner's manual. Never read that shit in my life. Average Canadian never reads that shit.
Here are the official glove box removal instructions. There are no actual written instructions. It's just this one image showing the glove box separated from the dashboard. In these official cabin air filter replacement instructions, the tab for the cover for the air filter is on the wrong side. As mentioned before, the air filter is directional. Air goes from top down through the filter, so the filter has to be oriented in a way that it catches dirt on the top side using the help of gravity. This is the Canadian maintenance schedule for the car. Line item 23, clean air filters replace every 10 months or 16,000 kilometers. I personally am not sure why you'd replace a cabin air filter based on age, as it quite literally does nothing whenever the blower motor is not running. Thank you for watching. Please leave any questions, comments, concerns, or feedback down below.